Flash flood warning. Oh.
Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen over southern El Paso County. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Heavy rain has fallen over this area earlier this evening, and this additional rain will run off very rapidly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include
Flash flood warning.